The role of a virtual private network, or VPN, has become increasingly significant. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one for you? Is a free VPN enough for your needs, or should you consider a more premium paid option? Proton VPN, a widely recognized free VPN service. Known for its commitment to privacy, Proton VPN offers some compelling features for users seeking basic online protection. One of Proton VPN's standout features is its unlimited data allowance, a rarity in the realm of free VPNs. This means you can browse, stream, and download without worrying about hitting a data cap of any kind. Additionally, Proton VPN boasts a strict no logging policy, ensuring that your online activities aren't tracked or stored. However, every rose has its thorns. Proton VPN's free version is limited to servers in only 3 countries: the US, Japan, and the Netherlands. This limitation can restrict your access to global content and affect connection speeds. Moreover, users often report slower speeds on these free servers, which can hinder activities like streaming and gaming specifically. And while Proton VPN excels in privacy, it lacks the comprehensive feature set of premium VPNs, especially in terms of server availability and speed. Alright, so we've explored the free VPN landscape, but now it's time to unveil how you can experience the superior features of a premium VPN without the initial cost. ExpressVPN offers 2 enticing options to try its services for free, which include both a 7-day free trial on mobile devices and a 30-day money-back guarantee for all platforms. These trials provide a risk-free way to explore the full capabilities of a premium VPN like ExpressVPN. The 7-day free trial is only available on iOS and Android devices, so do keep that in mind. But to get started, you can just visit your app store and download the ExpressVPN app. But once you've installed it, you can start your free trial by just tapping the Start 7-Day Free Trial button. From there, you will be prompted to choose a plan, but you won't be charged at this point, again, because of that 7-day free trial. The subscription will only come into effect if you choose to continue using ExpressVPN after your trial ends. So again, if you do decide to stick with ExpressVPN after your trial period ends, then definitely use that link down below to get the best deal possible. Before you start using the app, you'll need to give ExpressVPN permission to configure your phone's network settings. This allows the app to add a VPN configuration to your phone that contains ExpressVPN's server information, which means it can easily connect whenever you choose to. You'll also be asked if you want the VPN to launch on startup and whether you'd like it to share data with ExpressVPN regarding crash reports, speed tests, usability diagnostics, and whether VPN connections are successful. Once you've given permission, you're ready to start testing ExpressVPN for the next 7 days for completely free. The free trial lets you test the service for up to 5 devices, so feel free to download the app on other devices as well and sign in using the same email address that you used for the free trial. Now let's move on to the second option, which is the 30-day money-back guarantee. With this option, you have to pay upfront for a subscription, but you'll have no problem getting a refund if you decide that it's not a good fit for you and would like to get your money back. To get started, visit the ExpressVPN homepage and select Get ExpressVPN. You'll choose the length of your plan, and keep in mind that the biggest savings will be on the longer term plans, but if you're not sure about committing, you can choose for 1 month or something like that. Next, you'll enter your payment details and take note of your activation code, which will appear on the next screen after your email and payment information are processed. Once you have your activation code, you just need to click download to get the app set up on your device. The app will launch automatically once it's installed, and you can select your preferences, such as whether you want the app to start automatically when you use your device, and whether you want to send error reports to ExpressVPN. Now you're ready to use ExpressVPN for the next 30 days risk-free. And again, if you decide that it's not a good fit for you, then you have that 30-day money-back guarantee. This gives you plenty of time to test it out with the most popular streaming sites, browsing, gaming, torrenting, and more. And again, if it's not for you, you can just go ahead and claim a refund. And as long as it's within that money back period, it is not difficult to get your money back. You can make your refund request via email or its 24/7 live chat feature on their website. Just click the button that says Need Help, Chat with Us in the bottom right-hand corner of the homepage to open a chat window. And during these trials, be sure to test ExpressVPN's speed across various servers, its ability to unlock global content for you, and its robust security features as well. Whether it's streaming, gaming, or secure browsing, ExpressVPN's trial period lets you experience all of the premium features that they have to offer. So what's your next move? Are you ready to elevate your online experience? We definitely encourage you to explore the possibilities with ExpressVPN, take advantage of that free trial on mobile, or the 30-day money-back guarantee. Thanks so much for joining us in today's exploration of free and premium VPNs, and remember that your online security and freedom are paramount. So with that in mind, be sure to choose a VPN that aligns with your needs and enjoy the digital world with confidence and convenience. Stay safe and connected, and we'll see you in the next video.